Okay, so let's get right into it. Look, if you want to get ahead in this new age of AI, you've got to master it, right? And today, we're going to do just that. I'm taking you on a guided tour of a brand new, and get this, completely free AI university from one of the biggest names out there, Anthropic. For the longest time, learning about AI felt, well, expensive and super hard, right? It seemed like all the really good stuff was locked away behind some crazy university paywall, or you needed to be a coding genius. For most of us, it just felt totally out of reach. Well, that idea, it just got completely blown out of the water. Anthropic, the company that made the AI assistant Claude, just dropped its entire training library online. We're talking more than 10 courses to teach you AI, and every single one is, you guessed it, absolutely free. So here it is. This is the place, anthropic.skilljar.com. This is the platform we're going to explore together. And let me tell you, it is packed with courses that can literally take you from knowing nothing about AI to building actual real-world applications. All right, so first things first, let's start with the basics. If you're totally new to this is your starting line. This is where the journey begins. So the first place I tell anyone to start is Claude 101. If you're not familiar, just think of Claude as a major competitor to something like ChatGPT. It's a super powerful chatbot, and this course is the perfect way to get your feet wet and really understand how to use it well. And what's great is that this isn't just a bunch of boring theory. No, the whole focus here is on practical, real-world stuff. You're going to learn how to use Claude for your actual job, how to plug it into the tools you're already using every day, and hey, you even get a certificate at the end to show off your new skills. Okay, so once you've got a handle on Claude, the next logical step is this course, the AI Fluency Framework. This is where you zoom out. It's about understanding the bigger picture. It's not just about using one tool anymore. It's about seeing how the entire AI ecosystem fits together. And really, the goal here is to shift your mindset from just being a user of AI to being a creator. You'll learn how to take all these different tools, kind of stitch them together, and build these really powerful custom workflows that solve your specific problems. All right, now this is where things get really cool. We're leveling up. We're moving beyond just using AI to actually building with it. And the best part? You can do this even if you don't have a ton of coding experience. I absolutely love this description because it just nails the power of what we're talking about. This comes from the Claude Code in Action course. It's introducing a tool that's, well, it's basically like having a coding expert in your pocket, ready to build some seriously complex software for you in minutes. And look how they've packaged this up. They made it so easy to jump into. You've got 15 lectures, but they're all packed into just 1 hour of video. Then there's a final quiz to make sure you got it, and of course you get that certificate. I mean, for a skill this powerful, that is a tiny, tiny time investment. Okay, so this course introduces a really cool concept they call skills. So what exactly are they? Honestly, the best way to think about them is like superpowers or plugins for Claude. They're just pre-made little blocks of code that you can attach to the AI to give it totally new abilities to do really specific, complex jobs. And here's the magic of it all. The process is just so simple. Seriously, you just pick a complex task, like let's say create an animation. Then you just attach the pre-made animation skill. And that's it. You just let Claude do all the heavy lifting, all that complicated coding in the background. It's an incredible shortcut for making some amazing stuff. Okay, but what if you're not a beginner? What if you're already a developer or you want to become one? Don't worry, this platform has you covered too. This isn't just for newbies. There's a whole track here for a serious deep dive if you're a more technical user. I mean, just take a look at what they're offering here. You've got courses on building with the Claude API. We're talking an 8-hour deep dive on making your own custom apps and building RAG systems. That's the tech that lets you connect an AI to your own private data. Then there's stuff on the Model Context Protocol for linking up different services, and even a course on hooking Claude right into Google Cloud. This is the real deal, professional level material. So there you have it. After this quick tour, I think the path forward is pretty clear, isn't it? Your AI journey can literally start today, right now, for free. And there's a clear roadmap laid out for you. And this is just what's available now. We're talking more than 10 courses already on the platform, and they cover the whole spectrum, from the absolute basics all the way up to advanced stuff for seasoned developers. It's a seriously comprehensive library. So let's just boil it all down. Why should you start here? Well, 1, it's 100% free. 2, you get real, verifiable certificates you can put on your LinkedIn or resume. 3, you're learning straight from the source, from the people who actually built this tech. And 4, it doesn't matter if you're a total beginner or a pro, there's a learning path here just for you. What Anthropic has done here is huge. They've basically just made some of the most important skills for the next decade available to everyone. The tools are here, the education is free, the door is wide open. So really, there's only one question left to ask. What are you going to build first?